Started out in '76, short wooden, what we call short wooden around here. That's no longer exist. Graduated from there to hauling tree length wood in 1983. Got into the chipping business in 2010, fuel chipping. It's been a good venture for us. Fuel chipping's a great thing for us around here. It cleans the woods up. The aesthetics of the logging job look 100% better with a chipper on the job, and so we get a lot of work from owning chippers. Before, we were just having to go through these type of woods and just cut the tree length out of it, leave all this biomass standing, and it looked like a bomb went off when you finished. And then so what the chipper has done is saves the landowner money. If they're going to replant their timber back, we can save the landowner on site prep probably $180 to $200 an acre in site prep. People ride by and see what you're doing. Before we finish a job, usually we've had 2 or 3 people come by and want us. We just sometimes we just move right down the road. With the Bandit chippers, they give very little trouble. Day in and day out, they run really smooth. They make a very good chip. It's a well-built machine. We've always been sold on the Bandits. Started out with a 2590, and I got a 3090. It's a 2009. And we have a 3590, that's a 2012. I've been a Bandit guy from day one. Don't think I would ever change. I enjoy running them. My name is Josh Key. I'm the owner of Beech Island Timber Construction. We're located in Beech Island, South Carolina. We've been in business for over 40 years.